In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern, responsive UI with Claude Code. First, launch Claude Code. If you're using the app, open it and select the code workspace. If you prefer the command line, run Claude Code in your project folder. Once it's open, you're ready to collaborate with Claude on UI design. Next, decide your platform and framework so Claude designs for the right stack. For web apps, popular choices include React, Next.js, or Vue.js. For mobile, you might pick React Native, Flutter, SwiftUI, or Kotlin. For desktop, Electron or Tori works well. In this walkthrough, we'll use a web target with React and Tailwind CSS, which gives you modern components and rapid styling. Before prompting, prepare clear UI requirements. Give your app a working name, choose a light and modern theme, set primary colors like hex values for consistency, such as a deep blue and a warm accent, and select a readable font like Inter. List the features you need: a landing page with a strong hero section, a clean navigation bar, responsive cards, login and sign-up forms, and a dashboard layout. Note the animations you want, like fade-ins and hover effects. The clearer you are, the better Claude's output will match your vision. Now provide the master prompt. Ask Claude to act as a senior UI UX designer and front-end developer, building a modern, responsive, production-ready UI for React with Tailwind CSS. Tell it to start with the main layout and navigation, then move to the landing page, then forms and dashboard components. Emphasize responsive design, animations such as fade and hover transitions, best practices, and invite it to suggest improvements as it goes. Have Claude generate the main layout and navigation. It will produce React components with Tailwind classes. Review the structure and file organization so you stay consistent as you expand. Build pages incrementally. Start with the landing page hero, headline, supportive subtext, a clear call to action button, and a subtle entrance animation. Add a features section with 3 cards, icons, and hover effects. Move on to the forms for login and sign up, including basic validation. Then create a responsive dashboard with a sidebar, summary cards, and tables. Enhance interactivity and motion. Use Tailwind transitions for quick wins, and bring in Framer Motion or Lottie if you need richer animations.